Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This stock one-owner 2019 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with only 396 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection, runs like new, and is barely broken in. This stripped-down trike is powered by a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine with a 6-speed transmission that puts out an impressive 122 foot-pounds of torque. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a seat height of 27 inches. This factory trike offers all of the enjoyment and thrills of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels. It comes equipped from Harley with ABS, traction control, and an electric reverse gear. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.